How's it going, YouTube? I picked up the Razer BlackShark V2 Pro wireless headset on sale at Best Buy for about 120 schmackaroos. I think it usually retails around 180. I really like how this headset feels, so I am super excited to give it a go and tell you guys how I feel about it. So let's get right into the unboxing. First, check out this packaging. It's a really kind of a big box, but it feels very, very light. So that has me very excited for actually like the comfortability of this headset while I'm gaming for long periods of time. So here's the back if you'd like to see that. Some stuff on the side. Won't really read all that off to you guys, but you could pause it if you'd like. Nice little razor on the side there. Okay, unboxing knife. Move that out of the way. And there we have it. This thing looks very, very snazzy. Feels pretty lightweight. Before I get anything else going on, let me put this to the side real quick. Okay, see what else we have in the box. You have your documentation, probably some Razer stickers in there. Nothing too crazy. Nice little Razer pouch. I wonder what's in here. Oh, it's like a carrying case for your headphones. That's pretty sick. The nice little Razer green little lanyards here. It would have been very sick if they had like a hard shell case, but I mean, this is interesting. All right, let's see what else we got. You got your cables. This is a USB-A to a USB type micro USB. Okay, so USB-A to micro USB. Here is your headphone cables, the regular 3.5 millimeter auxiliary or headphone jack. A very heavy duty feeling and looking headset, but I won't be really using this as much because I already have the Razer Seiren X over here, and I'll throw a link down in the description if you want to check that video out, but it's what I use to capture all of my audio. This does, however, feel very nice and premium. Alright, and then you got yourself a little dongle here. Okay, let me pack this away and get back into the headset. Yeah, I'm very curious about this bag because it feels like kind of, I don't want to say flimsy or cheap, you know, but wouldn't feel comfortable like throwing that headset in my backpack with only this to protect it, you know what I mean? But I guess it's nice that, you know, it's in there. And it does have the very, very minute Razer branding right there. I don't know if you could see it. Okay, moving on to the headset, we have a little volume knob here. It feels pretty tactile. We have your mute microphone button, power button, micro USB charging right there. That's kind of unfortunate. It'd be a lot cooler if it was USB type C. Here is where you can put in your little headphone cable, 3.5 millimeter auxiliary cord, and where you can plug your mic in. Other than that, you have your adjustable up and down right here. This kind of gives me the heebie-jeebies. It is just like a little cable right here, but once you set it and forget it, I'm sure it won't be that much of an issue. Then you have two steel little brackets here. Nothing on this cup, and you have your left and your right marking in there to identify that. Very nice, very stealthy pair of headphones. So I'm going to get this connected to the Razer Synapse app and get everything set up, and then I'll get back to you guys. Alright, you guys, I now have the BlackShark
V2 Pros all set up. Here is how they're going to look in Razer Synapse. Right now you are currently hearing the quality of the mic with absolutely no changes on it. For whatever reason, when I was testing these out, this tells you to put on like THX spatial audio, but it makes the sound profile sound honestly just very flat and tinny. Whereas if you just leave it on the Razer BlackShark V2 Pro and not the THX spatial audio, just immediately there's way more punch and there's way more frequency range. Everything just sounds a lot nicer. And as you can see here, you have your bass boost, sound normalization, voice clarity, so that's for the people coming into your headset. You also have your equalizer. I have mine set for games, and here again it's telling me to select THX, and maybe you could mess around with this to try and make it sound better, but in my personal opinion, the difference of having it in just the regular schmegular BlackShark V2 is it makes a huge difference. So just to give you guys a better idea of what you guys will hear with the microphone, here is voice gate set to high, voice gate set to low. Let me put that back right here. Here you have volume normalization. So if you like to rage and you get mad, I believe this is going to be a limiter. So if you talk louder, it will, keep your voice nice and leveled out. Vocal clarity. So tell me how that sounds. Here is another test of the vocal clarity. Okay. Ambient noise reduction. So if you have like a fan on you or something like that in the background, and then you have your different kind of mic EQs. Here is mic boost, here is broadcast, here is conference, and then you can go ahead and set up whatever kind of custom mic equalizer that you would like. You also have your mic monitoring side tone. So this will kind of let you hear yourself a little bit more. I don't really care for this too much. So just to give you guys an idea of all of the different settings that you have here for your microphone. Alright, now here is the power saving mode, which means that if you forget to turn off your headset, after 15 minutes it will turn off. At least that's what I have mine set for. One thing that is kind of like, I don't know if I'd call it a nitpick, but the fact that you get this battery icon and like I have no idea how charged that is, but if I go over to like here, I can plainly see how charged my mouse is. Why can't I see how charged the headset is?
Alright, you guys, that was my unboxing and first impressions of the Razer BlackShark V2 Pro. I'm now using my Razer Seiren X and not the microphone that is given to you, so tell me how you think the audio quality differs in the comments down below. I'm really curious to hear your thoughts on that. Other than that, I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like, sub, and comment. It really supports the channel, and I really appreciate you guys stopping by. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. Later.